Diane in Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. Happy Sunday morning. I know many of you may still be in bed, so I'll keep it nice and quiet. You can maybe just hear the birds chirping in the background. Just a quick check-in with you today. I'm going to take you for a wee walk because I know some of you need a wee bit of fresh air, and you know, we're all at different stages of lockdown. Maybe you can't get out the house at all. We're still able to get out for our exercise. In fact, we're actively encouraged to exercise, and we've got a lot of wide open spaces where we can be. So I'm going to take you to our local park today. I went for a walk with Vibeke the other day. We live very close to each other, and we've got the park on our doorstep, and there's an area in the park where dogs are allowed to be off the leash, so lots of dog owners use that part of the park. There's also an area where there are like equestrian events, a little, you know, horse jumping area. You've maybe seen it in my videos before. Anyway, I'm taking a wee walk there, but first things first, you got to make sure that you've done your morning routine, and I'll just quickly check in with you to say that my morning routine is done. I am dressed to shoes. My colour scheme today is chocolate brown and gold, and the earrings I was wearing yesterday, they were from a trip to San Francisco, and the earrings that I'm wearing today, these were ones that I bought in Boots the Chemist in Edinburgh on a trip to see Mum's. And I'm also channeling the Danish Queen with my little daisy ring. I mentioned the Danish Queen a few weeks back. Remember, she made the address to the nation about, you know, lockdown stuff. Dressed to shoes, had my breakfast checked. I've got a load of laundry on my LOL, which is sheets, because I've changed sheets as part of Weekly Home Blessing Hour, you know, the Flylady Weekly Home Blessing Hour. And I can tell you what's for dinner, because that's going in the crock pot, in my Instant Pot on crock pot slow cooker function, which is tacos. We're having tacos for dinner. And especially right now, I'm even though I've got like all day to cook, you know, because we are at home, the whole family's at home, working from home, studying from home. I feel like it's actually still nice to get things done first thing in the morning or early on in the day, because by the end of the day, you know, we're all feeling quite tired. These are crazy times for us. So I'm actually still using, you know, doing my easy recipes. I've got a whole bunch of really easy recipes and crafts, as you know. I always do easy stuff, and I'll put it on a playlist here. That's easy recipes and easy crafts, especially if you're looking for something to do right now with the kids being home. So anyway, get all bundled up. It was really cold when we went for a walk the other day, but just a few minutes of fresh air. And if you can't get outside physically, make sure that you're doing something at home. Maybe you can do some stretching. You know, there's lots of online programs, or walking, or, you know, there's plenty of stuff available. So we're just putting one foot in front of the other and keeping going. And the other thing is, I won't check in with you today about our 40-day declutter, because we are on to day 40. I will do that tomorrow when I've got a bit more time. So anyway, let's go for a wee walk, and I shall see you on the other side. Right, I'm out for a wee walk in the park with Vibeke. Don't worry, we are keeping our distance. And this is the little tea house. Our tea company, they often move in here during the summer or at Christmas. And you can come and have a cup of tea. And I'll go in from the other way. And look at the hedges here, aren't they fantastic? That's other people down there. Anyway, let's go in. Close the gate. Ooh, yeah, very blustery today, but this place is actually quite sheltered. It's like a little maze that you can run around. And in the back you can see the greenhouses. I think I may have taken you on a tour of this place before. It's our local park. And Vibike's down at the bottom. Ooh, she's hiding, but I can see her. found you. And down here are all the greenhouses. You can see the gardeners are still doing a bit of work. And in a few short weeks, the colours here will have completely changed. That's the lake down at the bottom, one of the lakes. Right, and this is a flower called Viba egg. Now I'm going to have to look it up because I have no idea what the English name is, but Vibeke knew about them because her name is, of course, Vibeke, and Viba is isn't it a bird? Yes. Yeah, so it's the egg of a Viba bird. That's what it looks like, apparently. I don't know if you can see there. I'll try and point it out. On the little island, there's a heron. There he is. I don't know if I can zoom in. There we are. You see him? I don't know if he's in focus. Zoom out again. Back in the past. And what you can see here are different little plots where the different creche and nurseries and schools, they each have a little plot. And you can see they're getting ready to plant, or well, they were getting ready to plant things, obviously not right now as we're under lockdown. You can see they've all got different names and they've got their plots so they can come and grow things here. So it's all very hoogly. And at the back, the sheep are normally there. I'm not sure if the sheep are there right now. We'll need to take a look. I hope you enjoyed our little walk. I'm just picking a few small daffodils from the garden to take indoors and give us a wee bit of hygge. So anyway, on that note, all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye for now.